Don't do it, Dave.
Yeah.
I think you're supposed to laugh.
I'm really horrible being on camera, so I get really nervous.
You guys look like naturals though.
I'm trying not to.
I looked at the camera.
Dang it, sorry. It was
Oh no.
It was a big one. Alright, what was it?
So it goes, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down.
Let's sing. It's saying a hold up first though, right?
But just say, yeah, just
Yeah.
go, yeah. Just say the slow down part too.
Oh,
That was it.
that was so fast.
Yeah. Wait, keep laughing, get closer, Mike.
No context.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh, you can't do it anymore, Rod. There's people now.
Oh, that was good. Do that again.
Ooh, I like this one here. What is this one? Oh, I don't like the afterpiece.
What's up?
Say again.
What's up?
Sounds slay.
Slay girl, slay.
Slay girl, slay.
You ready?
Mike, can you say it?
What am I saying?
What's up?
What's up?
What's face?
Why do you only get one in?
Say what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Put your bait.
What's up?
Put your bait. There's two different.
Do it again?
Nice, Rodney.
What's
What's
up?
up?
What's up?
What's up?
That's all this, like 8 switchbacks, right? Portland!
Ooh. It's a nice one. Oh, we put the music on.
Can I just nod?
Better say what's up, Mike.
Is he good, Mike?
Get more on your side now.
But that doesn't look very,
It will. From this last shot, it will. More on your side. No, on your actual side.
Oh, jeez.
Just say what's up.
What's up?
What? Yeah. What's up? I'll just have you say it so I can.
What's up? Oh, like, do I do what's up?
Smile.
Oh.
Wait, smile?
Yeah.
Who's
Or I
smiling?
might get closer actually. So at this end part, say what's up. Both or actually don't say anything.
Gotta go. Gotta go.